Hi guys, my name is Urwa and today I'm going to be telling you how to pronounce the alphabet, because some people that I've heard in YouTube, from YouTubers, they don't really make the sound proper. So if you want to be one of those that make the sound great, so you are in the right place to make this video. So let's start with the ABCDs, and I will say the sound of the ABCDs. I'll say A, and then you can repeat after me or listen to me, and then I'll tell you how you say that sound. And this is also great for children to learn the ABCDs. Okay, let's go to the first page of our ABCDs. So this is the 3D alphabet front. So these are the things that we will be learning. So let's look at the first letter. Our first letter is A. 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 This is wrong. Some people do it like this. A. 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 You're making your mouth a bit smaller. You have to make it like wide open. A. A. Like A. 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 You have to have confidence to say something, to make videos, to go on YouTube. So whatever you say, A. Ah. Ah. So this is the sound of the A. Ah. 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 A. Ah. 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 A. Ah. 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 For apple. So ah. Ah. A. So it's gonna be like A. Ah. A. Ah. A apple after a avocado. A apple after a avocado. So all of these words have an A in them. A apple after a avocado. So you can practice saying A if you're not good, and tell me in the comments how you like the sound of A from my learning video. Okay, now let's move on to the next letter. Our next letter is B, B, B. Put your two lips together like B, 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 and you try to make a hard sound like B, B, B. You can remember this sound for a ball bouncing. B, 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 B. And the real letter is B, 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 B. And then you can remember B for belly, because the B has a belly at the tummy, a belly at the top of him, at the bottom. B, 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 B. Belt. B, ball. You can practice your B and A by making the sound like apple, avocado, and ant, alphabet. And you can say b ball, b bee, b bouncy ball. You can say many stuff. And then next letter is k. This k is like a round k. And when you finish the whole up to this letter, then we'll learn about the other k. This is called curly k. K, 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 curly k. K, k, k. And this can be called cat. K, k, cat. So you put your two jaws together. K, k, just like b, b. You do it. K. Get the sound out of yourself like k, k, b, b, k, k, ah. But the A is like normal. Ah, ah, b, b, k, k, k. The next letter is d, 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 d. 3D. D, 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 d. And the next letter is eh. Okay, this is how you can remember the da. Da for dog. So let's say it together. Da, da, dog. Da, da, dog. Da, da, D. Like this is the real is called D. This is K, C. So it will go like A, B, C, D. That's how people sing it. And then our next letter is E. E. Elephant. Elephant. Our next letter is, this is called E. This makes the sound of Now our next letter is a quite hard letter to pronounce. So this is a lot of people get F wrong and B, C wrong. So B, C, F wrong. Do this. That's not the real sound of F. It's like F. You put your teeth in your bottom like this. F. And some people, for the F, they do a bit of spit, so that's a bit wrong. You put it a bit down, like. And some people, while they're doing, they do it in that way that the spit comes out, and that's really disgusting. The next letter is G. Girl. I'm a girl. Girl. Hand. And there's someone, and my sister named Irha. And my little sister named Abiha. Now let's go to this letter, H-I. It can start with my sister named Irha. Igloo. Igloo. Let's go to J. Jelly. Jet. Jacket. So tell me if in the comments if any of these letters I said starts with your name. And just write your name and then say that if my name starts with this letter, and try to pronounce it and then say it. And then write it and then say it. And this, k. So this is like a straight K. This one is a curly K. K. This is called a C, and this is called a K. K. This is called a L. This sometimes L. This is the real sound in the long. This is the short sound for the L. L. This is called the Let's make some words with this letter. Lollipop. Lolly. Lion. Love. Let's go to the next letter. This letter starts with M. Yum. I remember this word. It's yummy. Yum. Food. Yummy food. Okay, so this one is, you can remember this one is mountain. 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 Mum. Mum. Now let's go to this one. No. This is called the M. This is called the N. So the M has two. The M has two. So it's a mountain. But the N has three lines going. One is up, one is downward, one is in the middle, and one is down, one is in the middle, and one is going up. That's how you can remember N and M. Not. No. No. That's another way I remember it. And now this letter is called a octopus. And the real letter is called a O. That's mine. Octopus. Octopus. Act like an octopus. Let's go to this letter. This is my favorite letter. Hulchul. Hulchul. This is my second favorite letter after my first favorite letter. Queen. Queen. The Queen has a YouTube channel called the Hulchul. Or the Queen watches a YouTube channel called Hulchul. Stands for rabbit. Or you can say it's rabbit. This is rabbit. Now next letter is S stands for snake. And the next letter is S. This is S. And our next letter is T. T. And then our next letter is A. U. This is my third favorite letter. And guess what you can find with this letter? This is my favorite letter. This is called a U. Urwa. The next letter is called a V. Can you make the sound? You put your... This is a bit hard. You put your teeth in on your lips. U, V. Then this one is like M, but upside down. So this is a W. W. And then this is an X, and this makes an X sound for Xbox. And this is a Y for yo-yo, and this is a Z, the end of the alphabet. It makes a the sound. I hope you enjoy my video, and we'll say the whole alphabet together next time. Bye. See you later, and tell me what your names begins with from these alphabets. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button. Bye.